FERGIE'S kitchen. Today we are making a traditional Norway dish, and this is one of their soup. This is mushroom soup. So we're going Norway today. See, you never know where I'm going, right? What country next? So here are my ingredients for today. I'll be working with some mushrooms. You can either choose dry or fresh mushrooms. If you're doing the dry ones, you have to put it to soak for 30 minutes in hot water to soak before using it in your dishes. And as you know, mushroom is a vitamin booster. It provides a lot of vitamins A, B, C, and D. And proven scientists it has been proven that it's important for vegetarians to eat a lot of mushroom because they don't eat meat. So this also is a vegetarian dish. So let's go. We're working with some vegetable broth. This is my savory spice blend that I made from previous videos, and salt and pepper, sherry wine vinegar, lemon, and you need heavy cream. I'm going with the coconut cream with some butter and some all-purpose flour. So guys, I hope you enjoy this trip with me today because it's gonna be fun. So I'll see you soon when we get back. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to FERGIE'S Kitchen. So guys, I'm adding 3 cups of stock to my mushroom, and then I'm going to let it steam for 10 minutes. And now here's a tablespoon of my dry shiitake mushroom. I'm just gonna add like a tablespoon of hot water. Just a little hot water over it, more than a tablespoon, to cover it, and let this soak for 20 minutes. Okay guys, here with my melted butter. This is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now I'm just gonna add my mushroom that is drained. And this is the dry one that was soaking. We're gonna have this cook for 2 to 3 minutes before adding my flour on low, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to taste. One and a half tablespoons of flour. And let this cook for like 2 minutes, and I'll see you again. So now I'm adding the stock from the mushroom to the mushroom itself, and stir occasionally until it gets thickened. Then I'll see you guys for my next step. So guys, to my mushrooms and broth over there, now it's time to add my coconut cream. But I'm gonna put a little twist to it. Instead of adding my cream straight to the mushroom and broth, I'm going to blend some of the mushroom with my coconut cream. Before adding it to the broth, okay? So here's my broth. Now I'm gonna add my 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. With some of the mushrooms. Just to give my soup a little thicker texture. Now I'm gonna add my savory spice blend. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon. And I'm gonna let this cook for a minute, like a minute and a half, before adding my sherry wine vinegar. All right. So guys, now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sherry vinegar and a pinch of lime, and I'll see you guys in 6 seconds. Well, my FERGIE'S, here I am to present one of Norway's classic, authentic dish, mushroom soup, with a little twist of FERGIE'S on it. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, some of you guys can't go to Norway, so FERGIE bring Norway's to you. That's what's going on. And I hope you guys like. When you're drinking the soup, just remember all the health benefits, all right? Today's scripture, as you know, I feed the heart and I feed the soul. So today's scripture is coming from Romans 6, verse 18. You have been set free. Guys, you have been set free. Jesus sets you all free. I am free, you're free. We're all free. And never forget that. Don't let anyone keep you enclosed. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, sometimes the best way to appreciate something is to be without it for a while. Think about that. Guys, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone about the different dishes and the craziness that goes on in Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching today. Love you guys. Bye-bye.